Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon, everybody. Just wait for 5 minutes. We just expecting a lot of people here. No, I know it's no, we need to wait for few people. Okay, welcome you all for this session. First of all, Uh, mm, just a minute. We have people who are joining, so we need to take them in. Admit all. Okay, this is a
Hello,
brilliant.
sir. Good evening.
Yeah, good afternoon, good evening, good evening. Okay, guys, no, first of all, welcome to this German session for McDonald's Germany. We are trying to get people for their training program, wherein you will be no trained. Trained for working in. Just a minute, just a minute. Yeah. Just 1 minute. Okay, good afternoon, all. Again, sorry to no make you wait. We have to start the session, but we're getting a lot of people who have come from all over India to this excellent program, which I'm going to talk to you about, which is for Germany, McDonald's, one of the best probably employers all over the world in hospitality. And this program is, for Europe, obviously, Germany. Share my screen, more information there. And if you do not hear me properly, or something which you have not understood, feel free to ask. Okay, we are going to have a question answer session at the end of it. So allow me to share my screen. I think it should be now visible to you.
Yes.
I Great, great. So now you can see the screen. Great, that's good. So now, first of all, let me introduce RAPS Metro Institute of Culinary Arts. We are an institute which is based in Mumbai, CBD Belapur. It's a private institute, and we do a lot of training and recruitment in hospitality. I know we, along with Arsh International, is doing international recruitment. They have been doing recruitments for almost 25, 30 years all over the globe, based in Delhi, and now venturing to hospital along with Metro Institute. We have both of us have tied up with this Germany, no McDonald's through our no German partner, and through the German partner, we are introducing to you the German McDonald's program. Okay, and it's an excellent program for anybody who wishes to start his career in Germany. I know most of you probably have no passed out this year or probably passing out next year. I don't know. So this is mostly for people who have done diploma or degree between age to no 18 to 24. So no 24 we can max take up to 25. 26 in some cases also, if there should be no gap in between. So let me know, share the screen. Okay, yeah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the screen to you this way. So you can share, you can see. So this, as I said to you, is a program along with Arsh International Life Skill, and along with the German partner, we are getting this with to you along for McDonald's. So just quickly about me, my name is Rajesh Dakhtode. I have around 30 years of experience. I passed out from IHM Goa a long time back in 92. And from then I have been working in the cruise lines and no P&O cruises. I worked for some years, 10, 12 years. I must have had some around 5, 6,000 people on cruise liners. Then after that, I've been working in airports. So TFS, I work with Trial Food Services, which manages the airport. Then after that, I got an opportunity to work with, you know, Deltin. Deltin Casino, if you have from Goa, probably you must be knowing. So I was group head HR for them. Last I was with the Magica, water park, theme park, Novotel Hotel. All they have. No, I was group head HR for them. And now presently, I have started this organization, Rap Hospitality Services or Metro Institute of Culinary Art, and I take care of complete uh, all the process. So no, we not only look at getting people here, but we also look at placing people. See, everything is important. No, training is important, but unless you get a good placement, it's a challenge. So we try to give the best placement to our students. So uh, uh, the reason for me to speak to you is because while we have good placements which are all over the world, we are bringing to you this along with McDonald's, and it's a brilliant opportunity, along with International Skill Development Center. This is a complete government project, along with International Skill Development Center. So what you see, International Skill Development Training and Recruitment is also no part of it. VSLMultiskills.com, Arsh International are the processing companies, and Rap Metro Institute building. You're based in Mumbai. If you're from Mumbai, probably you can drop into a college, and we are available here at any given time. It's in CBD, Belapur, Navi, Mumbai, and no, along with Bharati Vidyapit College of Hotel Management Tourism Studies. This is the building of BSc HTMS, and we are located, and we are doing a lot of training and for hospitality. So now coming back to the reason you probably all of you here are here. Why are we here today? Obviously you have heard about what exactly the program which we have. It's a German program, and without giving you much, without keeping you much waiting, I want you to take over this program details and give some details. Just allow me to hand over the phone to somebody. It's been ringing since morning because a lot of people are interested in this program. Can I? I had to give my phone. It's been ringing for quite some time. Mm, okay, so sorry, guys. We have almost 40, 45 participants here, and feel free to ask us any questions at any given of time, or at the end of it, I am going to give you time to ask me questions. Let's go to the next sheet, which is most important sheet which I want to share. This is why I wait here today. Well, what we have here for you is how we can help you to get you into McDonald's Germany. And we're going to talk to you McDonald's 3 years program, and at the end of it, they will be placing you as a manager. But you probably will wish to know how you want to do it, what is the process, what is the cost of it, what is the benefits, and how do you wish to enroll, and obviously the contact details. We're going to talk everything about it in this presentation. It's a program along with McDonald's in Germany, wherein they are giving out a 3 years theoretical training to you along with on-the-job training. So the on-the-job training will be in no McDonald's college, so McDonald's itself, one of the outlets in McDonald's. But the vocation, whatever which because it's a training program, there'll be some theory which will be involved, and that will be in one of the schools or college, or probably they have their own training centers. They will be having it there. So it's a joint program wherein you done, and you also get a earning, which is a stipend, and the stipends are brilliant. Which I'm going to talk to you in the next sheet. But what are the eligibility that is most important? What you get is training at any of the McDonald's outlet, which I have said, uh, and to apply your skills. This is what the program is all about. Obviously, you will be growing into McDonald's. This is not only that no they will train you, but they also will give you a job in the McDonald's itself, which will carry out so it's a long term opportunity. Obviously, the most important question, eligibility. They are looking at degree diploma holders who have completed after 12th. So basically, 12th is important, and after that, diploma or degree needs to be completed. Okay. This is the basic qualification. Uh, what is another requirement which they have told us is language qualification. So you need to do B1 level certification is mandatory to get your visa. So that you need to do in India, and max age is 25. Okay, 20 to 25. So already, obviously, most of the students who pass out to HM are around 21, 22, 21. So yeah, this is for you. It's a 3-year program, and the euros 850 to 1100 is the stipend which you'll get per month while you're doing the program. The number of people which we can take is only 14 from India. This is the first time McDonald's is doing this program from India, and only 14 numbers they're going to take. So they're going to be very, very they want to take the best people. So obviously they will be taking they will be very, very choosy about it. Okay. So what is the process of the registration? Well, what you need to send us is, I'll be sharing you the details at the end of it, or you already have it. You need to send me the full photograph, full length photograph of yours, along with your passport copy, and most importantly, your biodata, a CV, through your coordinator, or you can send it to us on the number which I'll be showing, 9820355826 or 8424007130. This is a call or a WhatsApp, or on our email ID, info@rapsmetro.com. Once you send have a number. If you don't have the number, there's the same number. What is the investment? Let's first talk about the investment. The investments are not much. It's registration, which is 100 euros. Around 90 is the euro, which I've mentioned here, 90 rupees to a euro. In India, you need to do A1, A2, B1, B2. This 4 tests you need to do, which will cost you around 1,200 euros in India. No total, along with testing, training, and everything that you need to do before you, so that you can get a German visa. Once you get a German visa, then obviously for the German visa, there will be a blocked amount which you will have to keep, which is around 1,320 euros, which is your money itself. You keep in your account in Germany, which is used for you, not for us. It's only used for you. So it is your money. In case of something happens, no, they can use it. The German government can use it. So this is kept in your account. There is a sponsorship fee, which is around 1,800 euro, which includes the application processing, handling fee. This 1,800 is also includes the 100 euros which you will pay us initially along with your application. No, if your application gets processed, obviously, you save that amount. If it doesn't get processed, no, it goes. I'm afraid of that. But no, the application fee is only 100 euros. We have only 14 seats which are available, and what you'll be getting for this is no. You obviously there is another question which I think you have to is McDonald training center fee, which is around 1,500 euro for the all 3 years. Not all the 3 years which you have to pay. That has to be paid, and approximately I've given you no 580, 600 is your no approximate cost of the flight, which will flight and visa which you have to apply in India. And yes, most important, what is the euro to Indian rupees? As of today, 89, 88, 89, 90 is what it is trailing. So it keeps on fluctuating, up and down. and keeps on changing. Anyway, that I guess by next year when you go, no, the program no details I'm going to share to you in the next slide. No, this is what you will be earning. So first year what you earn is 850 euros. Second years throughout per month, obviously per month you get first stipend is 850 euros. Second year stipend is 900 euros. Third year stipend is around 1100 euros. After passing out, no, after completing your 3 years, they absorb you into McDonald's with whatever the start paying. So total earning which you have in 3 years is more than 35,000 euros in the 3 years. Obviously, an opportunity with the McDonald's brand uh, to be there with the McDonald's Germany. In this, no, McDonald's is also providing you accommodation, but no, they will deduct it from your salary. So whatever the stipend which they pay you, from that they will deduct the amount of your accommodation. Average living expenses, Germany, you can say, should be around 300 to 400 euros, 400, 500 euros max. Should be not more than 500 euros. On the job meals are obviously provided. No, that is given that good. Working hours only 40 working hours, 40 hours per week. You work for 4 weeks, or rather 2 days a day and 5 days a week. An opportunity is obviously leading to a job, which means you will get a work permit, and later on you can apply for a PR. Okay, so no, it actually takes all your problem, all your resources taken into account. And if you wish, well, since it's Germany and Germany is part of Euro, you get a European work permit. You can go abroad of Europe, anywhere you wish to work. No, it helps you. So 5 years you're eligible, because the training which you are doing in the McDonald's is a part of your period which you can show that you have been in Germany. So it's an excellent program for those who wish to be part of this growing field no, in Germany. Obviously, I'm sure most of you will be wondering, no, you and you must be having some more questions. So no, I'm keeping at this moment of time, opening this stage for questions. Share you one screen which will give you basic details of the program. So it's called McDonald's Dual Degree Program. Details of the program, as I said to you, is 14 are the intakes which you can take. The basic qualification which they have told to us is diploma degree holder, 18 to 25 years of age. About the program, training taking place in Germany, in a German, one of these cities in Germany. And candidates will, obviously, this is a government, German government recognized program. So obviously, it's a part of a complete, you get a proper degree from a German government. So it is part of a training. So training is not necessarily only for, no, Germany, but it also gets you a degree as well. So that's another highlight of the program. Obviously, after 3 years, when you complete, you become a manager. What they are basically training you to become is a manager of a McDonald's themselves or a franchisee. So in terms of career, the candidates obviously, okay, after 3 years, when you complete the program, you join as a manager. So one of the outlets you oversee, or probably you can go to any of the other outlets which they have all over Germany. Uh, the time schedules are very tight, since this program intake, we are going to do it in in the month of May. We wish to close this program by say 4th or 5th of May. We want to close all the registrations and then start with the interviews. The departure date from India is going to be March 2022. That is next year March. So you have around a year in between, 1 year in between, to complete, as I told to you. No, you need to complete the program. I'm sorry. No, I lost you guys. I'm back now. Problem. Okay, allow me to again share the screen. Okay. So yes, um, as I said, no departure is next year. So you have one year in between to learn A1, A2, B1, and B2 in India. Okay. These are the levels of German speaking. As I said, German, when you're going in German, and it's a front of the house job. So obviously, no, learning Germany is most important here. The training program also leads to job. Obviously, the training program fees are mentioned, which I told you earlier. Max, no, it expenses or max or the in whatever your expenses or whatever investment is around no including flight is around 5 to 6 lakhs. You know about the stipend. No, earlier, no, obviously you get 1100 rupees the stipend, which you mentioned. The conditions of employment, a candidate needs to apply for B1 level GOET by October. Now, what happens is, if you complete B1 level, you can apply for German visa. Please remember this. No, you have to complete your B1 level in India. If you have completed B1 level in India and if you have completed B2 level, this is the expense. No, I have not given the test. I am ready for the test B2, but I have not completed. In that case, we have given you down below some scenarios. Okay, the candidates who will study their 2021 to February 2022. So you have time after B1. You can study here in India and give your taste in India and take the B2 level certificate to Germany along with you. If for you, so no, if you learn the German B2 in Germany, the cost escalates. So no, the learning cost is 500 euros plus the testing cost of 150. So 650. That's quite a huge amount. Okay. So I will suggest, no, if you can complete your B1, B2 in India as much as possible, do it till B2, till A1 is very simple. No, A2 should not be a problem. B1, yes, it's a challenge, but B2 is most important. If you can do it in India, well and good. In some cases, they don't accept because this program is more of a management program. So that's the reason they are forcing us to complete your B2 in India itself. If not, you need to have this program. No, you need to have B2 updated with you for no taking up the job role. No, you are just ready. Just want to. I just want to no, do the test in Germany. Then the cost is 150 euros in German, and we are giving you all the costs here so that in case if you go to German and if you do not have B2 with you, you may have to spend this much more. Okay, keeping that in mind. We are recording this session also, so no, I'll be sharing the recordings as well on the group, or probably no to all the people. You will be available. You can also write to me and I'll share you the recording. So it's now available, and all reason which I want you to understand. The candidates need to complete B1 as I said to you by the GOET. GOET is the Max Muller. We all must have heard about it. No, GOET is a testing center, or you have to have B1 level before October so that you can apply for your no German visa. So this is very much needed for your no application. Then you shouldn't have any problem with getting your German visa. Monthly living expenses while you are there, obviously, you will have some living expenses. Will be euro 250 to 300 if McDonald's provides you the accommodation. That's what they will be deducting towards the accommodation. No, so that's what I had already said, that 400 500 is your accommodation. So 300 250 300, if they deduct, you still have the balance amount with you, which is enough for you to take care of yourself. Students, again, no, the candidates will also be required to deposit a blocked amount of euro 1,320, which I've already taken the 6 lakhs, which I've mentioned, sorry, 6,000 euros, which comes up to around 5 lakh rupees, 5 lakh something, no, is what the expenses we need to have. Which is a refundable. Basically, once you complete your program, you get that amount. So 1,320 euros, you get it. No, after completing 3 years, it's your amount blocked in your no account itself. it's automatically released after you complete your 3 years of no training with them. Charges for the health, students need to pay for the whatever the healthcare, whatever the healthcare which is there. So anything happens to you in Germany, while in Germany, no, the healthcare will take care of you. So you don't have to. It's something called social security, which you have in UK, something like that. This was about the program, and now I am opening the screen for all of you. Any questions which you have? I know there are a lot of participants who have come from all over. I know from Calcutta and probably Siliguri, Goa, Delhi, Mumbai, South Hyderabad, Noida. So please, if you have any questions, more than happy to answer any questions at this moment of time. Um, I have a lot of people here, but I think most of you have understood what we are trying to say here, or many of the questions have been
Excuse me,
answered
sir.
in this. So, yeah, please go ahead.
So what will
Adrian
be
Gomes,
the
go ahead.
yes, yes, sir.
Sorry?
How are you, sir?
I'm good, Adrian. Tell me, you're from Goa, right?
So yes, I'm from Goa. So my query was, what will be the estimated salary once we get the managerial post?
2,000 plus euros. At this moment of time, they are paying 2,200 something, but take it 2,000 euros. No, after passing out. So after you've done your degree, 3-year degree.
Yes, sir. I've done my 3 years plus. I've done a master's as well in
Oh,
hospitality.
very good, very good. No, very good, very good, excellent. So I shouldn't have you. I hope you shouldn't have any problem getting selected. Yes, no, the starting salary is around 2,200 euros as of now, but take into account 2,000 or whatever whatever will be at that moment of time. But minimum 2,000 is something which you should take it into, and it will be also mentioned. Please, no, when you sign the agreement, it will be mentioned on your agreement the salaries which you will be paid. So first year, second year, third year, whatever earnings which are there will be mentioned. At the same time, after completing third year, whatever your salary will be mentioned there on your no letter of appointment, which will, or a conditional letter of appointment, which we say. So yeah, good questions. No, Adrian, thanks for asking that. Any other questions coming up?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Adrian. Feel free to ask, guys. No worries,
Hello.
because this is your
Good
forum.
afternoon, sir.
Obviously, yeah. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Please go ahead.
I just wanted to ask if you've already done German languages. So I have done till B2.2. And
Very
is that
good.
the eligibility criteria?
Gautam, na? Gautami.
My name is Gautami.
Yes, Gautami, excellent. Yeah,
Thank
Gautami,
you.
excellent. Very good.
But
This is so. See, what happens is, yeah. Go ahead.
yeah, so but that I had done 2 years
Go
ago.
ahead,
So is
Gautami.
it valid?
Let me find out. See, what happens is,
I'm sorry, sir, I can't hear
guide
you.
on it. What I can do is when you. Sorry, what I will. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, how you? Okay, so what I can do is, in the interview, you can obviously, if you have done B2, that means you're prepared. It's not that no, you need to have for getting the certificate itself, you should to have till B1. But if you have done B2, excellent for you and us as well. No, should not be a problem in getting a visa. Obviously, the question arises about no training in India. Obviously, let me find out, because you're already done, and I think it is valid, so should not be a problem. But let me find out and get back to you, Gautami. Thanks for asking that question. I will let me find out. Lakshika, is Ash around?
Sorry.
He isn't there. So no, if no once joins, no, we'll surely be able to answer you. But this is more to do with going into Germany, so I don't think that should be a challenge, and that should not be a problem. So you may
Excuse me,
have
sir.
to no, you say that cost. Yeah, Adrian, go on.
Regarding the same issue, even
Yeah,
I have
Adrian.
done Germany. Even I have done the German language, Deutsch, during a
Excellent.
Yeah, so I also have done till B2, but it is not by the university that you have mentioned, Goit. It's a different one. So does that qualify, or do I have to give only the test?
I same again answer here. Let me find out. No, I think then you may have to only give the assessment. So you don't have to worry about the training cost. But if you have already done, so then probably the only cost which you will incur is only the assessment. Okay, that's what I feel. So no, should not be a problem. Let me get back to you on that as well. Adrian, you should know you have my Adrian and Gautami. No, you have my WhatsApp number. It's 98203 55826. Share to me, more than happy, because here it's not training. Training is for the people who have probably need to understand that it's a, since it's a front of the house job, you have to speak German. Okay, and if you're already qualified with B1 B2 level certificate, you automatically get we are more than happy to take you. Well, what the question is, only that certificate which is couple of years old probably, and from some other institute or from some other testing center, is it valid or not? Let me find out and get back to you. I don't want to give you a question. I don't want to give you a wrong answer to your question. At the same time, what I will also suggest is, you do apply, and while you are getting interviews with the forum, with the McDonald's and McDonald's and the college, the training partners who are there, not the college, the training partners, you can ask them the same question. I'm sure they will be in a better position, or if before that I do get answers, no, more than happy to answer your question. I guess that answers your question, Adrian, and I think it was Gargi,
Thank you,
right?
sir. Yes, sir.
Sir, can you please repeat your phone number?
Yeah, Gargi. It's 98. Anyway, I'm going to share the screen, which has all the details. 1 minute. So the final screen which we have here has all our details. It's 98203 55826, 8424007130 is another college of office number. Or if you want to reach to me directly, 98203 55826 is do visit, no problem. No, you have you can meet us and we can talk more about it. Besides that, we also have in Hyderabad, RAP Metro Institute, which is there in Hyderabad. Miss Nagalakshmi is here. She is from the Hyderabad Institute. If you happen to be in Hyderabad and if you're from Hyderabad, then obviously she is also there to assist you. We also have our training partners in Delhi, which is Sushil Kataria, whom you can see. He's there, not the training partner or no assisting partner. So that's him, Sushil Kataria, whom you can see there. We also have Prasanjit here. He is from Calcutta. In questions you have, feel free to ask him. He's from Calcutta. I guess we can't see him lost somewhere. I can understand sometimes it happens. And yes, most importantly, we have Lakshika here. She is from Delhi, Noida. You can always visit us in our Delhi office or Noida office. Is Lakshika around here? Yeah, she is there. So yeah, Lakshika, no, do you want to say hi to all the guys?
Hi, hi everyone.
So you'll be seeing Lakshika quite a lot of time, and then obviously yes, Shruti is there who assists me from Mumbai in various interests. So is Shruti around? Shruti, you can say hi to everybody. Shruti, you I think muted. You may have asked to unmute. I have to ask you to get. You need to unmute yourself, Shruti. Yeah, that's
Hi
it.
everyone.
So that's Shruti for you. Shruti is also available. That's Shruti, Lakshika, Sushil, Prasanjit. We also have, our people all over the places. So we have somebody in more or less most of the corners. Yeah, we also have somebody from, Mr. Subha is there from Siliguri, and Miss.
Hi everyone.
Hi, Subha. Kamakshi is there from Siliguri College.
Hi everyone.
Yeah, hi.
A
Subha.
very good afternoon.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thanks for coming. And we have Miss this from a college in Siliguri. Miss Meenakshi, are you there? Here. I think she is no. We lost her somewhere. Anyway, welcome and thanks for joining this session of information about German. As I said to you, there are only 14 positions. I'm more than happy to have people like Gautami and Adrian who already have go already know German. No, more than happy to have them. But in case if you are not one of those privileged who don't understand German, no worries. We are there to help you, assist you, and take you to your landing career in Germany, where you can in India, so that you can get a visa. And once you are in Germany, obviously McDonald's will assist you, will train you, and to make you part of your career. Successful people, one thing is more important. It's not necessary that you need to be any department. So once you have chosen your departments, you can always be successful in that department. So McDonald's is a good place to start your career. Obviously, it can take you after 3 years or 5 years to any other destination. Like I started with kitchen. Today I went to HR training, and today I'm recruiting all over the world. So you may start as a chef, you may start as a housekeeper, you may start as a F&B player, but what will the world take you after 5 years, 10 years? You never know. Maybe most of you, if you go now, may become franchisee directors there in Germany, may become HR directors in Germany. You never know. But for that, you need to start your first step now. First step is apply for this position to us. And no, to apply, we have shared you our contact details. We have mentioned here, as I said, info@rapsmetro.com or 8424007130. My number 9820355826. No, you can, that's WhatsApp and call. So you can, I need three things. I need your complete full length photograph. I need your passport. I need your passport copies, first page, last page, and most importantly, your biodata, so that Lakshika and the Shruti here can assist you and take you to the next step, which is the interviews along with the German panel, McDonald's panel, and the study panel. They will take the interviews for you, and once they take the interviews, they will let us know how many of you are selected. While you have 1 year in between, which is the program starts in March 2022, but you have 1 year in between to complete your A1, A2 and B1 in India. And if you're lucky enough, you can complete your B2 as well. But if you are not able to complete your B2, please remember you need to complete your B2 in Germany, and the costs will be a little higher. So that's all from me, guys. Thank you everybody for.
Hello, sir.
Yeah,
Before
go ahead,
I have one.
Prasenjit.
Just wanted to ask you for the candidate point of view. Somebody is working, you mentioned 800 to 1,000 euro, they're getting per monthly stipend.
850, 900, and 1100.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
go ahead.
Whatever. And if the candidate wanted to, in their spare time, they can work somewhere else and earn more money. I hope that will be okay.
Yeah. Yes,
that's the
yes,
thing.
yes. Good question. Good question,
They can earn more.
Okay.
They can earn more.
Sure.
For their, they can earn more. More than
I mean, see, yeah, you are.
Sorry, sir, I'm lost you. I think your voice
They
is
can earn
cracking.
more. Yeah, in fact, thanks for sorry. This is the earnings from McDonald's. Besides that, there will be tips and service charge which we have not taken into account, because you may get tips, you may get service charge over and above your salary, but we don't talk about another 10 hours of overtime. If you do overtime or if you work some more extra, you can earn extra. This is the amount which McDonald's will pay you if you work for 40 hours per week. Okay, this is what we have mentioned. But yes, just to answer or Prasenjit's question, yes, you probably can earn 200 per week extra by working extra overtime, because your overtime is 1.5 times so what you get. So you are, besides 1,000, you can earn another 400, 500 per month extra. Well, that's up to you. You also do get tips, you also do get service charge. As a management trainee or as a trainee, you also get this tips and service charge. but I have not taken into account because it's so that's a part of your privileges while you're working in some stores which are good, and some stores may have it, some stores may not have it. But yes, no. Bottom line is yes, there are one new opportunities for you to earn more. The opportunity is the salary which or the rather stipend is only for 40 hours, which we have mentioned here. Beyond 40 hours, well, no, you have no 2 days of leave, and no, if you wish to work or no lie down in your bed, well, it's up to you what you wish to do. But if you know want to engage yourself and earn more money, yes, you can. Why not? You're allowed to work another 10 hours extra, which will earn you, 150 or 200 euros more. More for you and more for you to take back home. So thanks, Prasanjit, for asking me that question. Any other questions here by anybody else?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes, good afternoon.
Uh, wh-
Please.
I wanted to ask that when are the interviews going to take place?
Ayush, very good. Thanks for asking that question. I just said that March we are going to start. So
Okay.
I need the Lakshika is here and Rasika is here. Shruti, sorry. Both of our will be assisting. We need to make your Europass. Europass is what we do, means converting your CV to Europass CV. So that's what we will be doing it. Yeah, Siddhi, I'll come back to you. Just give me a minute, okay? So, no, Siddhi Shrintri is asking me a question, but give me 1 minute, Siddhi. I just want to answer this question. So, March is going to start. So, no, the faster you send us the CV, the faster we, since we have only 14, the first round of interviews we are planning somewhere in fifth, right? Lakshika, fourth or fifth, right? Lakshika? The first round.
So maybe before that.
Yeah, fourth is something which we are first round of interview, and no, as I said, we have only no 14 positions. Yes, the sorry, I had to no. I know you raised your hands. Please ask me any question which you wish to.
Yes, am I audible?
Siddhi, any questions?
Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you. No worries. Go ahead.
Yes.
Yes, we can hear you very much. Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
In the specifications, it was
Yeah,
mentioned
we can hear you.
that
Who is?
classroom trainings. Okay. So what I wanted to know is what is the is there like a specific curriculum which is covered in the trainings, or how does it go about? Hello.
Sorry. You may have to repeat the question. You may have to repeat the question.
Yes, I will. So in the specifications, there were classroom
Hmm.
trainings that were mentioned, like
Yes,
theoretical training. So I know
yes.
what will be included in the classroom trainings.
Classroom training curriculum obviously is McDonald's, and whatever training curriculum which will be there, which will be shared to you once we know shortlist you for the details onto you. No, I will be more than happy to share to you before you apply for the program. No, but yes, it's see. I mean, we used to train in McDonald's in India, it was more to do with no. I'll just quickly give you what we used to do. No, yield management, customer service, no focus on customer retention, more to do with if something goes wrong with the food. McDonald's process of food, hygiene and sanitation standards can be part of it. Yield management, and most importantly, probably because they're training you to become a manager. So obviously, the four things which important for you as a manager are no team management. So obviously HR will be there. Secondly will be process driven, process and policies management. McDonald's is they have only 7 or 8 items, but the process driven is very sad. So I'm sure there will be something on the process driven which will be there. Third most important is customer service and customer efficiency. And if somebody knows something goes wrong, what do you do? So customer satisfaction, that should be the third part of it. Obviously training and development comes in your HR, and the fourth most important is everything starts and ends with money. So obviously financial management. No, these are the four subjects I'm sure should be there. But besides that, I'm sure German marginals will have their own culture and or their own presence there, like how we have in India. They have their own presence. How, and it's completely different from if you have gone out of India, McDonald's, and if you come to India, it's different. So I'm sure some things like that will be that. So you obviously need to understand what McDonald's values, culture, and all that is. So I'm sure this will be there, but allow me to get back to you with what exactly you will be trained on. But this is what you will be, basically trained on. Does this answer your question, Shruti?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Siddhi. Any other questions? No, feel free to ask, guys. No worries. This is open forum. This is also recorded, so you never know. I mean, whatever question which you probably are asking or you have in your mind, maybe it must be the question for somebody else, who is not able to, ask at this moment of time. So feel free, ask us, and be vocal about what you do, because we're going to start the interviews very soon. As I said to you, there are only 14 positions. If you're from Goa, I think, no, I'm also from Mancham, Goa, and my daughter also from Mancham, Goa. I don't know if you know, Ria Dattodi is also here, and she's also spoken to Madonna. She was our professor at that moment of time. So don't have to worry. No, we will take care of you wherever you go. Any other questions which you have? Great. Thanks for all of you. We're almost coming to the end of the session. No, I had planned the session for half an hour to keep it as much as close and crispy possible, as much as possible. But no, you guys have been rocking. You have asked me the best of the questions. Obviously, through the questions, you also got the answers. I hope so. Thanks, Gautami. Thanks, and Adrian, and I think Shilpi, and yes, Prasenjit, for all the questions, and rest of you for being such a brilliant audience. Feel free to apply for this program. I'm sure you will get to. One thing is for sure, you will have a brilliant, brilliant career. At the same time, you'll get to see here a new culture, see a new culture, grow your develop a unique culture, and probably you never know. Europe. Once you get into Europe, what life will take you into future. You never know. But anyway, whatever you do, thanks for coming, joining us in this forum or other walk about German McDonald's program. Share this with your friends. We have, while 14 seats are there, but we want the best 14 people to go there who can represent us and bring back more numbers to us. Bring back more numbers means I want them to go and do a wonderful job, so that whenever they want to hire more people, they'll come back to India and come back to us. Okay, guys, thank you very much. You have been excellent, in asking questions. I hope I have answered all the questions. There's something in chat. Let me through. Thank you, Siddish Shintre. Okay, thank you for answering all the questions. No worries, guys. Take care. Bye for now.
Thank you,
And
Rajesh. Thanks to you,
as I
especially.
said again,
In this current situation, you just bring this platform for the new hoteliers who wanted to bring their career. Thank you for this. You bring all these things for everybody, for their future. Really,
yes, exactly.
very
No,
thanks
it's
to you, sir.
thank you.
It's a brilliant
Prasenjit.
program.
Thank you, Prasenjit. Yes, it's a brilliant opportunity, and more importantly, it is not this year. So no, this year you can still be at home and learn German language and be prepared for your international career, which will be in Germany. So feel free to ask. Feel free to spread the word. We have a lot of opportunities which are coming, and so you can always speak to all our representatives which are there, like Prasenjit in Calcutta. We have Miss Naglakshmi in Hyderabad, Sushil in Delhi, Subha in Subha is there in Siliguri. We also have Shruti in Mumbai, and Lakshika in Delhi. Okay, she's in Noida. Thank you, guys, all of you. Thank you, everybody. All the best. Have a good weekend. We almost come to the weekend, end of the weekend. I just leave this with a strong note that be safe, be whatever do, enjoy your weekend, but be safe. It's COVID time, and yes, let's by weekend, let's also take a decision of what you wish to do. And if you're interested, 3 things I want. It's one, full-length photograph. It should be on a white background. Okay, white background with a formal. You need to be formal uniform with a tie, and will be much better. So if you have a tie, nothing like it, you look much presentable, and no white background, Newton, everything properly mentioned, so that we can convert into the Europass. We can German CV. And third, most importantly, a copy of your passport, which is first and last page of your CV. Okay, great. Thank you very much, guys. All the best, and whatever you do, take care, and please share the word for us. Take care. Bye. I'm ending the session. Have a good day.
Thank you.